Hello, Kurumjiri, and welcome to Sktiv News. You are watching Afternoon English News with me, Jessie Thiam. Now, as usual, giving you the headlines first. Inquiry committee investigating on Gualabi incident records statements of journalists who were on board the MST bus carrying media team to Shiroi Festival. Meitei Pangal community in Manipur celebrates Eid-ul-Adha with religious fervor and sumptuous feast. And cleanup work at Janim's nears completion after flash flood left the hospital non-operational for days. Hospital likely to open soon. Now giving you the news in detail. Journalists who were on board the MST bus en route to Shiroi Lily Festival on May 20 have given their statements to inquiry committee which is investigating in Gualabi incident. As many as 12 journalists from different media houses gave their statements to the two-member inquiry committee comprising of Commissioner Home and Ashok Kumar and IT Secretary T.H. Kiran Kumar at Secretariat South Block Room number 188 today. Notably, the inquiry committee failed to submit its inquiry report within the stipulated time of 15 days, as mentioned in the government order issued by Chief Secretary P.K. Singh in the name of Manipur Governor on May 21st this year. It is also worth mentioning that All Manipur Working Journalists Union (AMJU) has been boycotting government-related news and information, including state and central forces operating in the state, except flood and emergency after the Gualabi incident, where security forces deployed at Gualabi checkpoint instructed a media team en route to cover Shiroi Lily Festival in Ukhrul district to conceal the Manipur State Transport Sitnach from the bus they were traveling in. Eid-ul-Adha is being celebrated widely across the globe today. Meitei Pangal community also joined the celebration by offering prayers at mosques. People recited Holy Quran, exchanged greetings and hosted festive meals. Meanwhile, President Draupadi Murmu and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, including leaders from several political parties, have extended greetings on the occasion of Eid-ul-Adha. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his greeting wished good health and prosperity. Opposition leader Rahul Gandhi expressed greetings and prayed for love and understanding among people in the country. With Manipur Fire Service taking the lead role, the restoration and cleaning work in and around the premise of Janim's Parampad is almost complete now, after the institution was hit by recent flood. Notably, the hospital affairs, including routine operations, has been compelled to put under suspension since the last couple of days after the hospital complex had been flooded with the runoff water from overflowing Imphal River at multiple points in Imphal East District. Manipur Fire Service, along with hospital authorities, took up the initiative of cleaning and restoration works since the last 2 days as the water level receded significantly. Even today, they cleaned up several sections of the medical institute, including medical superintendent block, X-ray, art office, main corridor, male surgery ward, orthopedic ward, gynae ward, postnatal ward, antenatal ward, and PPT ward using water browser, portable pump, electric water pump, generator, and LED lighting system. On the other hand, a team of Manipur Fire Service, led by its director Laisham Nabachandra, has completed the cleaning work at Shri Shri Govindaji Temple, which was affected by the recent flood. The fire service team dedicated about 3 hours to clean the sacred temple, which was left with sludged and muddy water in the aftermath of the flood. With the completion of cleaning, the temple will soon be opened to worshippers. Rescue team consisting of all Manipur United Clubs Organization AMUCO and Manipuri Students Federation MSF provided medical aid to flood-affected families who are currently taking shelter at Wangkai Kaitel Asangbi. Naharo Sinta Kanglup, Wangkai Ayangpali Diamond Club and Wangkai Ayangpali Lema Kaitel Apunbalup also provided assistance to the rescue team. Vice President Dr. Narendra Thokchom, Secretary General Pratap Lesang Them, Secretary Publicity Haisnam Foreign and members of MSF and All Manipur Chemist and Drug Association attended the flood relief distribution activities. Even after water level of rivers and waterlogging in flood-affected areas have receded to a great extent, many families are still bearing the brunt of flood. Multiple locations in Imphal district, including Bashikong, Bairong and its surroundings, are still taking shelter at relief camps being opened by local club at the locality as their houses and surroundings are deluged till now. Meanwhile, local MLA Thongam Bishwajit and several individuals and groups continue to extend relief materials to the flood-affected people. The All Manipur Acrobat Association has extended a helping hand of 40,000 rupees to the Rambai Tengol, who has been providing vital assistance to numerous homes submerged by the devastating flood that hit the state recently. Assistant Secretary of the All Manipur Acrobat Association, Namoy Jam Surjit, and other members of the association visited Koronganba at his residence and handed over the financial assistance. The 24-hour Tengnopal district shutdown called by Kuki Students Organization is underway, with people taking out protest rallies in various parts of the district today. KSO Tengnopal, along with other CSOs in the district, called the shutdown from 6 p.m. yesterday till 6 p.m. today, protesting against the arrest of a Kuki leader, Kamgintang Gangte, reportedly by NIA on June 5. Shops, businesses, transportation, educational institutions, offices remain shut during the shutdown. On the other hand, Kuki Chief Association, More Block, Hill Travel Council, More Block, Kuki Student Organization, More Block, Kuki Kanglai Lompi, More Youth Club, and Kuki Women Union and Human Right More Block have also condemned the arrest of Kamgintang Gangte, reportedly by personnel of 5th Assam Rifles. The organizations have accused Assam Rifles Lieutenant Colonel Nitin Sharma of showing biased attitude and demanded his transfer from More. People took out mass rally from Gangnam Lentol to ADC complex, showing their dissatisfaction against the arrest of Kamgintang Gangte. Chingtam Social Workers Union and Cricket Club of Kaungamdabi, CCK Kongman, conducted tree plantation drive in and around the premise of Ibudho Pureiromba and Ibudho Pangamba yesterday. During the drive, the union also urged the government to implement effective policy and measures for mitigating flash floods in the state. Similarly, Anoba Kongtang VLF also planted tree saplings at Sunusify in Bishnupur district on World Environment Day. Now we have the weather report. According to ICAR Regional Center Lamphilpad, state's maximum temperature was recorded at 32.6 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 21.3 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 92% in the morning and 55% in the evening. Now before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Inquiry committee investigating on Gualabi incident records statements of journalists who were on board the MST bus carrying media team to Shri Festival. Pongal community in Manipur celebrates Eid-ul-Adha with religious fervor and Sktv'S feast. And cleanup work at Jennings nears completion after flash flood left the hospital non-operational for days. Hospital likely to open soon. Well, that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching Sktiv News and keep watching for more news updates.